Introducing SafeARCross, a cutting-edge augmented reality application equipped with a collision warning system and virtual traffic lights designed to enhance pedestrian safety. As augmented reality merges digital interactions with our physical world, it introduces a significant unintended risk. Pedestrians engrossed in augmented reality experiences may become less aware of their immediate surroundings. This inattention can lead to an increased risk of accidents in urban environments. Enter SafeARCross. Our solution leverages augmented reality and vehicle-to-everything communications to create intuitive interfaces. These interfaces are specifically designed to assist pedestrians in safely street crossing scenarios, integrating real-time traffic data directly into their field of vision. Our study, conducted at Aveiro Tech City Living Lab, showed that participants reported increased safety perception and reduced cognitive workload, giving excellent usability ratings to both applications. By utilizing intelligent transportation system devices, SafeARCross taps into the shared data from road users to detect potential hazards. When a risk is identified, our system alerts the user with a visual notification. Additionally, the system presents a directional 3D arrow pointing towards the imminent danger and ensuring immediate awareness. Thank you for watching, stay alert, and keep safe while navigating through traffic with SafeARCross.